Differentiation or derivative. Now what is differentiation? It is one mathematical operator. Mathematical operator means like addition operator. This is mathematical operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Today we are listening new mathematical operator called differentiation or derivative. Step number 1, it is mathematical operator like this: addition, subtraction, etc. Now each mathematical operator having some symbol. Symbol of addition is this, plus. Symbol of subtraction, symbol of multiplication and division. Now what is the symbol of differentiation? So it has infinite symbols like dy dx, dy dt, dy dz and so on up to infinity. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Each symbol is unique and used in a particular way. Focus on dy dx. This dy dx called differentiation with respect to x, and this x which is written here, this x is changing. Changing means it is variable. Now this is very important. Something which is changing, we can differentiate with respect to that. Vice versa, if I say differentiation with respect to x, that means this must be variable. Similarly, focus on dy dt. Once again, breathe in slowly and gradually. Dy dt means differentiation with respect to t. And it signifies t must be changing. So t is variable of the topic. Variable may be anything, but it will be 1 in one numerical. Like if I say dy dt, t is variable. If I say dy dx, x is variable, and so on. Once again, breathe in. Point number 3. When you know what is variable, how to know? Dy dx, x is variable. So other than variable, we will say all others are constant. Only one variable is permissible. Like if I say dy dx, x is variable. Then other than x, all are constant. For example, if I say dy dx of x square, so this x is variable. Then other than x, all are constant. This x is variable, so x square is also variable. Are you getting it? Other than x, all are constant. So who are constants? Anything other than x. Permanent constant numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now leave x. Other than x, y, z, etc. These all are constant. Again, breathe in slowly and gradually. See example. Step number 4. Remember, differentiation of constant is always 0. Focus. Step number 3, step number 4 simultaneously. If I say dy dx, so you will come to know x is variable. And I am saying differentiate 5. So 5 is a permanent constant. So constant, differentiation of constant is 0. You will write directly it is 0. Once again, breathe in. If I say dy dx of z square, now you are nothing given about z only this is given d by dx. You will know x is variable. So other than x, this z square will be treated as constant. If he tells in a numerical z is depending upon x, then I will tell you in chain rule. Now other than x, z is constant. Other than x, everything is constant. So differentiation of constant will be 0. Focus on this. Breathe in slowly and gradually. This is point number 4. Now point number 5. Differentiation of x raised power n is n x raised power n minus 1. Remember, this is main formula of differentiation. How to read it? Most precisely we read it like this. Differentiation of this. What is this? X raised power n. And this is with respect to x. Precisely if you want to read it, we will call it differentiation of x raised to the power n with respect to x. This is the question. What is the differentiation of x raised power n with respect to x? So this is the answer. This is formula. If this is question, this is answer of the formula. So this n means power. X means this base. Raised to the power n minus 1. Breathe in slowly and gradually again. Now see, ordinarily we call it differentiation of x raised power n. Only this. We know variable is x. Now have some examples on this. N is equal to 1. Now put 1 in place of n. So what will you write? dy dx of x raised to the power 1. Focus. If you are inputting 1 here, then you will have to input here also n. Now this is the question. What is the differentiation of x? So answer will be n. N is 1. Multiply x raised to the power n minus 1. So what is n? N is 1. So we will write here 1. So answer will be differentiation of x. 1 into x raised power 1 minus 1, 0. You know anything raised power 0 is 1. So this is the first basic formula. Differentiation of x is 1. Precisely, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Once again breathe in. Once it is valid for x variable, it is valid for other variables also. What is the meaning? See, if this formula is correct, then you can say dy dt of t raised power n. Focus. X was the variable. Now t is the variable. So same way we will say n t raised to the power n minus 1. Like this, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Similarly, we will say differentiation of t with respect to t is also 1. Breathe in again. Now input n is equal to 2. In the same expression, dy dx of x raised power n, remember this formula, n x raised power n minus 1. Now we will input 2 in place of n. 2 here, then in the answer also 2 and 2 minus 1. So you will see it is 2x. So this is another formula. What is differentiation of x square? So differentiation of x square is 2x. Similarly, you can say differentiation of t square with respect to t is twice of t. So these are the basic formula you should remember. Once again breathe in. Similarly, you can do it for n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Now once again special one. If I say dy dx of 1 upon x. Now how to solve it? See, 1 upon x means x raised power minus 1. Now tell me the formula. Differentiation of x raised power n is, repeat, n x raised power n minus 1. Now focus. In the question, x raised power n, x raised power minus 1. So what is n? N will be minus 1. So put minus 1 here in place of n, and here also minus 1. Now you simplify minus 1 into x raised power minus 1 minus 2. So it can be written as minus 1 upon x square. So this is another formula. Differentiation of 1 upon x is minus 1 by x square. Breathe in. This is step number 5. Now see, step number 6. You are given this question. Differentiate x plus 1 by x. If you are given this question, then how will you open the bracket? Answer is, as you open the bracket, similarly you will open the bracket for differentiation also. If it is 5, what will you say? 5 into this plus 5 into this. Similarly we open the bracket. Differentiation of x plus differentiation of 1 by x. Now you should remember all the formula. Then you can say differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So answer will be 1 minus 1 by x square. Are you getting it? You must know how to apply this in the previous page. Once again, breathe in. Step number 7. Some formula of differentiation. Differentiation of sin x. It is cos x. Remember this? Differentiation of sin x, cos x. Similarly, differentiation of cos x minus sin x. It is with the minus sign. Differentiation of exponential e raised power x remains e raised power x. Differentiation of log to the base ex, that is called natural log. Remember, natural log, it is called ln or log to the base e. In integration differentiation, we use this. Differentiation of log to the base ex, it is 1 by x. There are so many formula of differentiation in maths, but whatever we require, we learn only that in physics. This is point number 7. Breathe in. Point number 8. In point number 8, we deal differentiation of constant multiplied by variable. How will you deal this? Then first of all, know in this question what is variable. Now if x is variable, so whatever depending upon x, it is also variable. So other than x, that will be constant. Constant taken out of differentiation sign. Constant taken out of differentiation sign. Then the answer will be constant taken outside. It will be multiplied constant into. This differentiation of variable will be done. Differentiation of variable. Breathe in. Slowly and gradually. See the example. Differentiation dy dx of 5 into x. Now see, this x is variable, so this is also variable. So 5 is constant, taken out of differentiation sign. So 5 taken outside. So there will be differentiation of x. Now apply the formula. dy dx of x, it is 1. So answer is 5. Meaning differentiation of 5x will be 5. See again, if I say differentiation of 5x square. Again see, x is variable, so x square is also variable. X is changing, so x square is also changing. So 5 is constant, take it outside. 5 taken outside, dy dx of x square. So apply the formula of differentiation learned in the previous pages. Differentiation of x square, 2x. So answer will be 10x. Are you getting it? Breathe in slowly and gradually. If I say dy dx of y square and z square. Focus. Now x is variable and we are given nothing about y and z. or nothing given relation between x, y, z. So we will consider y and z both are constant. So if both are constant, nothing variable given, then previous formula differentiation of constant will be 0. So if it is constant as a total, differentiation of total constant will be 0. If it is constant into variable, constant taken outside, multiply, then differentiation of variable is done. Once again, breathe in. Ninth, product rule in differentiation. Product rule in differentiation means if two variables are multiplied, variable 1, variable 2, then what will you do? So let us say variable 1 is u and variable 2 is v. So what to do? Take first variable outside and differentiation of second variable. I am writing here, see. Consider variable 1 constant and take it outside, variable 1 outside. Now differentiate variable 2. Now plus, alternatively, now take variable 2 outside and differentiate variable 1. Similarly here, u into v, take u outside, differentiate v, second one. Plus, now alternate, take v outside, so differentiate u. So you may remember it like this, differentiation of uv, u dv by dx plus v du by dx. For example, if you are given differentiation of e raised power x into sin x. Now focus, x is variable. So depending upon x, these two are variable. Both are variable. Variable 1 into variable 2. These are multiplied. Consider it as variable 1 or u and another is variable 2 or v. So what to do? Take 1 as constant e raised power x taken outside. Differentiation of sin x plus alternatively, now take sin x outside and differentiation of e raised power x. Once again, breathe in. This is the formula of product rule in differentiation. Now apply differentiation formula. Differentiation of sin x, cos x and differentiation of e raised power x, e raised power x. So this is the final answer. You may write sin x plus cos x or cos x plus sin x. There are so many questions you may practice. Breathe in again. Now see 10th, division rule. It is not widely used in physics, but listen it once. Differentiation of variable 1 upon variable 2. How to solve it? Variable 1 considered as u and variable 2 considered as v. The trick I am telling you, remember this. We start from denominator. V du by dx. V du by dx. Now alternate. U dv by dx. It is like a product rule. But we start from denominator. V du by dx. Then alternate. U dv by dx. Another point. In place of plus, put minus sign. As well as denominator square. Denominator is v. So write here v square. Breathe in slowly and gradually. It will be used in mathematics. But I am telling you, if you are using in your schools, differentiation of variable 1 upon variable 2, u upon v. Start from v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by denominator v square. See one example. If question is dy dx of e raised power x upon sin x, then what will you do? Like the same way, you will put minus sign in between, as well as denominator is sin x. So in the denominator you will write sin x whole square and in the numerator you will follow this. You will start from denominator v. This is sin x. So start from sin x. Differentiation of numerator u. E raised power x. See, this is u. U upon v. Now alternatively, e की power x or u taken outside. Now differentiate sin x. So now apply the formula of differentiation. Differentiation of e raised power x remaining e raised power x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Sin x whole square written as sin square x. Once again breathe in.